Good afternoon. I'm going to show you how to swap coin on Trust Wallet. Now, depending on the network you are using, if you're using the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum network. Sorry, my name is Oriola Joan. Okay, and welcome to Money Machine. All right, there are very simple ways to swap your coins, to buy coins. Um, you go to the DApp. Now, this is another way to find out the you go to pancake swap. All right, and we want to swap our coin and we don't know what coin to buy. All right, I want to buy Vancat. All right, I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to check Vancat. Now I can as well you know go back home, watch what I'm doing because I already have Vancat. um Copy, go, BSC scan. Yeah, kind of input my wallet. I'm going to search. So now I'm going to look for Vancat. Right here it is. It's not far. It's in here. So we're going to click Vancat. Then we're going to copy the contact address. Copied. Let me see the transactions that are going on. Okay. Transfer 4 minutes ago. So I want to go and buy Vancat. So I go back to Trust Wallet and I open Pancake Swap. You can get the Pancake Swap by scrolling down here. Okay. So I've gotten the contract address. Contract address is what you use to buy a particular coin. Contract address is what you use to buy a particular coin. To locate a particular coin. So I'm going to put it here. You see, it shows Vancat. I'm going to import it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, this is the total amount of Vancat that I have. I'm going to put 0.006. Imperfect. So let me check my slippage. Slippage is 0.5. Okay, let's see if it will go. Now sometimes the transaction can also see due to error, cannot estimate gas, transaction may fail. Sometimes we have issues like this. You cannot swap because of transaction fee. Okay, so we're going to input slippage. Okay, we're going to input slippage. We're going to put 11. And let's try with 8. So when you try to do a transaction and you get such reply, what you need to do is to increase the slippage. Let's see what is going to happen now. You see, it says I should confirm swap. Okay, so we're still going to try to increase that slippage a little. All right, it's 11. Let's make it fast. All right, so let's swap again. Wow. So what's the problem? So okay, it's like it doesn't work on. Let's see if they have a pancake swap transaction here. 0 MB, 0 MB. Let me check. Heartbeat. Why people swapping previous things? No. To get van card. Um, I think they're no longer on. So we can check the older version. Let's see if it goes here. All right. So sometimes may not go um on on us on version 1, then it goes on version 2. So I'm gonna swap. It successfully swapped. Let's hope so. Wait. Can I check my slippage? Oh my god. Right. Wow, it has been added. You can see the balance of change. So you can go to your wallet and check if uh, if it really happened. You remember I copied the wallet address. Clipboard. Okay, 30 seconds ago, pancake router. We're going to check BP transactions. 47 seconds ago, Vancat. So I just got the Vancat token. So you see, 225,091, 225 million of Vancat was sent. So let me check my wallet address, my Trust wallet, to confirm. All right, I know my money is going to reduce, but all right, here it is. It is already reflecting. Yeah, I had about 24 million before. Now it's this. Okay, so this is how to swap a coin. Thank you. What you do is increase the slippage, and sometimes if version 2 doesn't work, you use version 1. All right, thank you.